In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Trello notifications effectively. We'll walk through adjusting your Trello notification settings, ensuring that you never miss an important update while still maintaining control over the flow of information. First things first, you'll need to head over to Trello. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in, so select the login method that suits you best. You might choose to log in using your email, Google account, or another available method. Take your time here. It's important to ensure you're logging into the right account with access to the boards you wish to manage. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice either your profile photo or your initials displayed there. This is your access point for various settings. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. From this menu, you'll want to click on Settings. This section is where you can really start to personalize how Trello communicates with you. Under Account Settings, you'll see various options for managing your notifications. You can adjust both email and desktop notifications to fit your needs. Think about how often you'd like to receive updates. Some people prefer real-time notifications, while others might want daily summaries. Additionally, you can select the specific events you want notifications for, such as whenever someone comments, updates a card, or a deadline is approaching. This level of customization ensures that you're informed of critical changes without being overwhelmed by less important updates. For those looking to manage notifications on specific boards, lists, or cards, there's an option for you too. Go to any board, list, or card, and look for the ellipsis icon, often referred to as 3 dots, located in the top right corner. Clicking on this will present you with several options, including Watch. By selecting Watch, you will start receiving notifications related to that particular board, list, or card. Conversely, if you find that the updates have become too frequent or irrelevant, you can click Unwatch to turn off notifications for that item. As you manage these settings, remember that notifications are meant to keep you informed, not overwhelmed. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your settings can help maintain a balance between staying in the loop and focusing on your tasks without constant interruptions. That's all there is to it. By taking a few moments to customize your Trello notifications, you've set yourself up for efficient, stress-free project management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.